So I think we've got over 3,500 products in this space, which is incredible. Absolutely, clients will see the latest trends here. And I think having the evolving space, we can always change that.
There are some big brands and a lot of people will respond to that, but also there's some funky gear that is a little bit offbeat, and I think we're catering for pretty much everyone. There's conservative, there's not so conservative, there's affordable, there's highly luxurious. I think we got every box ticked.
I think we're really lucky here at Spectra because we've got some fabulous inspiration boards. So clients can start to think about what they might like to base their homes on, both from an internal perspective and an external perspective. And then we've got our experts on hand to be able to assist as well.
The sky is the limit in terms of what we can introduce, but really, we want to be guided by our customers.
The beauty of our showroom is that it's been designed to be constantly updated. The feedback from our clients to date is that it's an amazing space. The customer can really feel like they've had every opportunity to select anything and everything that they want for their homes, and their dream homes are coming to life in this Spectra Selection Centre.
A beautiful home with beautiful finishes, I think that's really what customers are looking for.